Hey folks, it's me again, Miss Rogers, and we're going to talk about some more surface area, and we're going to talk about pyramids, cones, and spheres today. As you can see on the board, that I've got the formulas for all of them, and it looks intimidating. I know, but if you notice, pyramids and of the lateral surface area and total surface area, lateral is just half of the formula. Cones, same thing. Lateral is only half of the formula. And spheres only has one formula. So let's go ahead and do some practice problems. So here we go. So let's do the lateral surface area of a rectangular pyramid. So we want to do the area of the base. No, I'm sorry. Perimeter of the base. Let's see. Let's make sure. Perimeter of the base times the slant height times 2. That's what the L stands for. So lateral surface area equals perimeter of the base times the slant height divided by 2. So notice there's no C in the picture, so we're going to mark it out. So perimeter is going around the base. Okay? So on a rectangle, it is 2 times L plus W. Perimeter equals 2L plus 2W, or 2 times L plus W. And this L is different from that L. This L, change colors here. It's purple. This L is called the slant height. I'm going to label that L right there. Okay. So let's rewrite our formula. So we're going to replace the P with 2 times L, which is 8, plus the width, which is 8, divided by 2 times the slant height. A is the slant height, times 6. What's going to happen to our two 2's? Well, they're going to cancel out. That's what's nice about some of this. We can cancel things out. So we put this in our calculator. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 times 6. I don't know off the top of my head. 16 times 6, 96. So that's equal to 96 square inches. Okay. So let's go back and look at our formula for total surface area. Area of the base. So we're going to take this value. So total surface area is equal to perimeter times the slant height over 2 plus perimeter, the area of the base. We already had this dude. We already had that dude. It's right there. So we're going to take and fill it in. 96 plus area of the base would be B times B. So I'm going to take and multiply 4 times 4, which is 16. 96 plus 15 plus 16 should be 112, equal to 112 square inches. That wasn't too hard. I just have to remember 2 formulas. All right, let's try a cone. Remember, a cone has different formulas. Let's look back. Cone is pi RL and pi RL plus pi R squared. Let's write that down. Pi RL and pi RL plus pi R squared. That looks familiar. I have to think back where we know that from. So let's do the lateral first. Pi RL. The radius is A, so that's 3. So pi times 3. What's our slant height? We don't have a slant height on this one. But we can figure it out because we have a right triangle. This is 3. This is 17.7. How are we going to get this slant height right here, C? Well, Pythagorean theorem. Thought we had lost you, huh? Square root 17.7 squared, and this is a plus 3 squared equals 17.9 is about 18. That's 18. So our slant height is about 18, so we're going to do times 18. I'm going to leave it in terms of pi. So 3 times 18. And I get 323 pi. It's probably 324. I didn't round that well. I used the actual answer. So then we're going to approximate. So 323 times pi, 1015.2. And this is inches squared. That's my lateral surface area. So now I'm going to add pi r squared to that. So I'm going to take 323 pi plus pi, my radius is 3 squared. So 9, that's 9, right? So pi, 323 plus 9. 323, whoops, clear. Enter, plus 9 is 332.1 pi, or if I multiply times pi, 1043.5. And these are square inches. Okay? So sometimes we have to remember our Pythagorean theorem on these. All right? Let's try one more. A sphere. Now the surface area of a sphere, let's see, is 4 pi r squared. So 4 pi r squared. 4 pi r squared. And don't ask me where that formula came up with, where that formula was derived from. I'm sure there's a nice little proof somewhere, but we're just going to go with it. And this is the total surface area because there is no lateral on this one. So 4 times pi times 9 squared. I'm going to leave it in pi, and then I'm going to work it out. So 4 times 9 squared. 4 times 9 squared is 324 pi millimeters square. Multiply times pi, and you get 1017.9 square millimeters. Must be the size of a BB or or BB gun or something like that. That's the easiest formula of them all. All right, that's all the notes for today. Have a good day.